All right, really quick, super quick update. It is complete, and watch this. Spins like a bearing. Freaking sweet. I have to replace one roller down there because it's a little bit too loose, but I've got it perfect now. All of the sides are meeting perfectly. It's right in the center, and it rolls really nice, as you guys can see. So now I just got to hook up these three coils, and I'm going to hook them up each to their own JL94 circuit as per Sky Collection. He told me just hook each one up. I think I'm going to start off with just two. But yeah, that's nice. I reprinted, as you can tell. Well, maybe you can't tell. I used to have the blue and the red. They're out. Now it's gold and blue. Look at that. No matter which way, it's beautiful. Hopefully I have enough coil on here. I'm thinking maybe I don't have enough coil, but it should be good enough. If not, I will either rewrap or splice in. No, I won't splice in. But yeah, it's nice, and it's a bit noisy, but that's okay.